the advent of transformers architecture since the last 2 years that Google brought that in. And again, sort of ShortHills Tech has developed deep expertise in these areas. So in machine learning, natural language processing, we have done a lot of work.
Similarly, in enterprise application, now that people generate data, consume the applications both over mobile and web, we are looking at technologies like React Native and Flutter, which can really reduce the duplication of code, make things much faster. And the entire enterprise architecture, which is more into microservices, we try to use those kind of patterns. In fact, the primary work which we do is more into product development, which requires anyway the level of depth and a foresight as to which all things can scale up and can we make things which really don't break.